So there's like heaps of how to make videos on YouTube, like how to cook things and how to make culinary dishes, all kind of stuff. So I thought, I can do this. I've got some skills. Today we're going to learn how to make chocolate thick shake. First up, you need this. Shut up, fridge. Key ingredient. And of course, this very, very important part, skim. So you take your Nutri Ninja shaker thing, careful, it's sharp. B. Then, you take the lid off. Ice cream is life. Next, ice cream scoop. Rinse that sucker under some hot water. Ooh. And get it all over yourself. Now, scoop, ice cream. Yum, right? Good amount. Nice amount of vanilla ice cream. Put that in the sink. Milk. Max fill is here. See? Max fill? It's probably going to be way too much. We have got our milkshake ready to go. Pretty simple. Milk, ice cream, chocolate topping. Goodies. Take that. Tight. You really don't want the lid to fly off this thing because shit. Place this onto there. This is our little Nutri Ninja. We're going to put onto Ultra Blend. And then you have one beautiful chocolate smoothie. Don't lick the sharp sticks. And then we have it, guys. Dean's tutorial on how to make a chocolate thick shake. Don't forget to subscribe, throw me a thumbs up, leave a comment down below. Cheers.